Hello, everyone. Today we will show you the welding process of the stainless steel plates. The stainless steel plate we saw is a sample sent by the customer from Italy. He needs us to weld two stainless steel plates together. The power of the handheld laser welding machine owned by our company is 1000 W, 1500 W and 2000 W. The laser welding machines can be widely used in the complicated and irregular welding process of cabinets, stair elevators, shelves, ovens, stainless steel door and window guardrails. The welder is using is a 1000 W welding machine, which can weld 0 to 4 on stainless steel plates. He used a wire feeder and a wire feed copper nozzle. The weld formed after welding is smooth and good looking. No need for extra polishing processing. If you need a laser welding machine, please contact us. The next long video, the 1000 W laser welding machine welding show.